Hi guys, so this is the second upload of basically the feedback clip of me creating more videos on showing you how I am improving and the fundamentals of the learning process that I have basically followed. So this one is, as you can see, it's ballerina legs. If you can't tell, these are ballerina shoes. And again, it's 1, 2, 3, and then time to jot down some notes to then have the feedback so that I know where to improve for next time. Number one, actually all three I found were disproportional to the rest of the leg, but I was telling myself it was really bad, and I know you shouldn't really kind of have that negative thought in your head, because how can you improve upon it? So trying to stay away from negative thoughts and seeing what actually I done quite well. So I maintained the good speed for all three. I'm finding that knees are actually not as difficult as what I thought they would be. It's more kind of gestural and the kind of subtle lines that I've been doing, and as well as the calves. So all three, I feel I actually captured the knees and the actual flow of what the ballerina was doing, especially with the feet and how the leg was then standing. So proportions and the layout, and all three I used the gestural and observational methods, and I know where to go from for the next time I actually do these, because I will be creating all the drawings that I do to see where I can still improve upon and where to go from for next time, just so that I can maintain really good speed, proportions, and the fundamentals, which is structure as well. Let me know in the comments who else is on a drawing journey and what you'd like to see in the next ones. See you later.